In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in Gamma app quickly and easily. If you're building presentations, documents, or any kind of visual content in Gamma, highlighting text is a simple way to make important words stand out and improve readability. The best part is that once you know where the formatting tools are, the process is very fast. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy app tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Gamma project you want to edit. This could be a presentation, a page, or any document you've already started. After your project loads, look for the text area where you want to make changes. Now click inside the text area. This is important because Gamma needs you to actively select the content before any formatting tools appear. Next, highlight the exact text you want to change by clicking and dragging across the words. Make sure you select only the part you want to emphasize, whether it's a heading, a sentence, or just a single keyword. Once the text is selected, open the formatting toolbar. In Gamma, this toolbar usually appears near the selected text or at the top of the editor, depending on the layout you're using. Look for the highlight option or the background color option if that's what Gamma shows in your version. Different updates can sometimes move these buttons around a little, but the feature is usually easy to find once text is selected. Click the highlight tool and then choose the color you want to use. You might see a few different color choices and you can pick the one that best matches your design. If you want a subtle look, choose a light highlight color. If you want something more noticeable, choose a stronger color that really makes the text pop. As soon as you select the color, Gamma will apply the highlight to your chosen text. You should now see the selected words stand out inside your project. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always click back on the text and adjust the color or reselect a different section. A quick tip here, try not to overuse highlights. In Gamma, highlighting works best when you use it sparingly for important points, key phrases, or calls to action. That keeps your project clean, professional, and easy to read. If every line is highlighted, the effect gets lost and your design can feel crowded. If you're working on a presentation, this is a great way to guide your audience's attention. You can highlight a key statistic, a title phrase, or a takeaway sentence so it stands out immediately. If you're creating a page or document, highlighting can also help break up long blocks of text and make the content more scannable. And that's really all there is to it. Open Gamma, sign in, open your project, select the text, open the formatting toolbar, and choose your highlight color. In just a few clicks, you can make important text stand out inside your Gamma project. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.